What's up, traders? Another red day going 1 for 3. Let's get to it. All right, traders, going to make this one quick. Don't forget to like and subscribe. YouTube algorithm, blah, blah, blah. SPWR started this one small in case it wanted to continue up through 2350. Did not. Went up just enough to kind of put us in an awkward spot. Looking for that 23 retest. We finally got it after it tried that $0.50 and just failed. And as you can see, probably could have held on to this all day. Would have probably been the one that made my day. But however, we decided to try and trade GSAT on this little pop that it made through that high it made earlier in the day. Wanted to play it through 250, never got there. Noticed the jiggle. It did try to pull back a little bit and should have just cut it at high of day, but it was so close to 250. I wanted to see if it would reject it, and it didn't. It came down. I was like, all right, I'm gonna see what it does at 250. I tried to add to this at like 253. However, we ran out of shares. There was like 1.3 million shares available when I started the trade, and we ran out by the time we got to here. As you can see, this thing's traded 183 million overall today. So absolutely nuts with the volume. So those shares got eaten up pretty quickly, and we ended up stopping out. I gave it a couple chances to try to get through 250, and then finally just gave up on it and took the smaller loss. And then TKAT. This almost absolutely ruined our day. Just complete FOMO, looking to get back green on the day, looking to scalp this thing. It made a nice little pop. I realized it tried to pull back. You can see I waited to try to get on the backside of the top there. So it jiggled and then started to come down before I jumped in. Unfortunately, we were wrong, and it decided to go up through 950. Again, felt the jiggle on the other side of 950. So this was pretty much just like a 0.5. And so this was basically a 1. It ended up being essentially a 1122, if you want to look at it that way, but it was really a 0.5.511. But yeah, as you can see, it tried to pull back again, did not, and then absolutely went on a tear up through 1050. It actually tried to halt. It tried to jiggle just a little bit here at 1020, which is where probably our first entry should have been. And then we went up towards the halt price, got another ad, bringing our average to, I think it was 999 and some change. And it started I tried to let it go down through, I think we had an order at like 970 something. I was looking for that quick flush down through 10. It went to like 980 and then kept going back up through 10. And the bid was at like it was like 993 or something. Like it was somewhere in the low 990s, but the bid or the ask never came back down below 10. And it just sat at 1003. And then the bid started to creep up towards 10. It got to 999 and I took it off. It was all happening pretty quick, but we took it off at 1003. I did the math. I think we were down close to like $83 up at the top with full size. But I don't think we were ever down that much because I didn't add this last 50 shares until it was actually on its way down. So probably, I mean, still up there in like the $70 range. So we only lost $5.25 on it. So I was fine with it. I was pretty annoyed at myself because we were so early on it, and that frustrated me. Might actually be, let's see, shares available here on HEPA. I was going to see if that kept going. Could have been a possible trade there. We'll break out here on the hourly at 170. Daily kind of sucks. 193 would be an interesting area, but looks like it's not going to give it to us. But yeah, we were really early on TKAT, which was pretty frustrating. If we would have been patient and got our first entries up here on the north side of 10, this could have been a great trade. Definitely wouldn't still be holding some, but could have definitely got a lot more of this and been very green on it instead of red. So ending here with a small red day, it's close to like 20% of our goal. So not even that big of a deal. Just very frustrating. We can't seem to get anything going here this week, especially after the long weekend and not trading on Friday. Just a lot of FOMO hitting me, and I think that's kind of what's been killing me with my entries yesterday and today is that FOMO. And I thought I might have got it out of my system yesterday, but clearly I didn't. And same with GSAT. I should have been a lot more patient with that. And then if I was patient, I would have never been in the trade because it started to do what it did. So lesson learned. Hopefully on to tomorrow. Hopefully we will get some more action, and hopefully we can take advantage of it in the correct way, get back into a rhythm. But as of right now, just waiting for the market to pick up like everybody else is. And I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Peace.